Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reach the Brazil portal in Roblox slap battles. This isn't about physical combat, but rather an exciting in-game challenge. The Brazil you're aiming for is a secret dimension, a special area within the game world. Your objective is to discover and successfully enter this unique portal, often requiring clever strategies and sometimes teamwork with other players. It's a fun quest for many in the community. Let's explore some popular ways to get to the Brazil portal. One common method involves using the space glove. Simply have a friend give you a cloud and ride it directly beneath the portal, then activate your ability. Another effective strategy uses the moon glove in the front seat of a cloud, while a ping-pong user in the back launches you. You can also try the bus method, timing your jump just before it hits you. For more challenging routes, advanced teamwork is key. One intricate method involves a berserk user charging 6 or 7 times before slapping you into the portal. Even more complex is a 4-person strategy using space, brick, berserk, and detonator gloves. The detonator places a bomb, the berserk slaps, and you use space to fly. Perfect timing and clear communication among your team are absolutely essential for these elaborate maneuvers. To maximize your chances of success, practice is paramount. Work on your timing and coordination with friends, as many methods require precise actions. Don't be afraid to experiment with various glove combinations. The game offers many unique abilities that might unlock new paths. Remember, successfully reaching the Brazil portal often grants you exclusive in-game badges, adding to your collection and showcasing your mastery of slap battles. Have fun exploring.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.